The death toll from the earthquake that shook Japan's west coast on New Year's Day has now risen to 168. More than 300 people are still missing, according to local authorities. Heavy snow in the region also has increased the risk of landslides as rescuers keep combing through debris, searching for survivors. Almost 1,400 homes were destroyed or seriously damaged in the quake, leaving thousands seeking shelter elsewhere. Now, an elderly woman was rescued over the weekend from a collapsed building in Suzu City more than 124 hours after the earthquake. That's like 5 days. The woman in her 90s was taken to a local hospital where doctors say her legs were seriously injured, but she was well enough to talk. Many roads in the area are still blocked, posing difficulties for emergency personnel and their vehicles to reach survivors.